Welcome students, good morning. Myself Akshay Kumar Srivastava, I am your computer teacher and this is my new video of class 6 and your chapter is chapter 5 PowerPoint Advanced Features, and today's topic is given on your book page number 50, 51 and 52, and today's topic is we have to cover in this video about PowerPoint templates, creating a presentation from a template, the slide master, view the slide master, and insert a picture on all slides. So we start. About PowerPoint templates. A template is a ready-made presentation with a predefined background, font styles, colors, placeholders and bullet styles, where spaces are left for the user to add contents according to his/her specific needs. The use of templates for creating a presentation not only gives a neat and professional look to the presentation but also saves a lots of our time. So students, what is a template? It is a ready-made presentation with a predefined background, color, font styles, placeholders, bullet styles. All things are given predefined like that, and which type of presentation you want, then you have to click on it, and all that slides are already ready made, they are already prepared. Only you have to insert some text and some messages which you want. Okay, all that colors, all that backgrounds, all that things are already created, already inserted. Only you have to type the contents what you want in the place of already presented contents. Okay, so creating a presentation from a template in PowerPoint 2010 comes with a number of stylish templates that we can use for creating a presentation. The steps to create such a presentation are as follows. First, click on the File tab, select a New from the list option that appear. Second, in the Available Templates and Theme sections, click on Sample Templates. Templates installed on your computer will be displayed like that. Which template you want, then you have to select it. Select a required template and click on a Create button. A presentation consisting of multiple slides with a selected template will be created. Students, in case none of sample templates cater to your needs, you can look into the office.com template section. If you find a suitable template there, download it and then use it to create your presentation. If your needs are not matched for already ready-made templates, then you have to download some templates from that office.com. okay, so I will show you in my computer how we can create a presentation from a template. So first we have to open a PowerPoint. How you can open a PowerPoint? So I will show you. You have to click on that, and then there is all programs. There is also Microsoft Office PowerPoint, and you have to easily click on that, but I have here, I am showing you. You have to go on all programs, then you have to click on that Microsoft Office, and in this there is a Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007 or 10. Okay, then the window will open. Okay, this is the blank window of Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, here is a presentation. So how we can create a presentation from a template? So I will tell you. I have already prepared some. Okay, so if you want to create a presentation from that is a created presentation by me for, okay, but this is not using a template. Okay, this is not using a template, that is a already created template. Okay, so we start a ready-made presentation, creating a template, creating a presentation using a template. Then you have to click on that, and then you have to click on File tab, and here is a new option. Click on that new, and look, here is the only I have that is a template. Okay, that is a recently used templates, available templates in PowerPoint. You have to click on that, and then you have to click on the Create button. Click on the Create button, and then look, these are the different templates already created. Here only you have to type the Okay, what you want, then you have to click on that and change this. Okay, which picture you want, then you have to change it. All that things are given, pictures, colors, everything are predefined. Only you have to change some contents. Okay, which you want in place of this any other picture, then you have to click on that. Then you have to change some text. If you want to change the picture, then you have to click on that picture and insert a new picture from your computer. Okay, so this is the creating a presentation from a template. You have to only use that already predefined templates. Okay, and in this we have to only replace the contents what we want. Okay, in this there is some pictures, some colors are also, background are also given. Okay, if you want to change any other picture, then you have to click and insert a new picture from that. Okay, you have to click on from insert and then you have to click a new picture. Okay, you have easily changed. This is the way from which we can create a presentation from a template. Okay students, and next is the slide master. A slide or master slide is a special type of a slide that stores information about the theme and slide layouts of a presentation, including the background color, fonts, effects, placeholders, size, positioning, and so on. Every presentation that we create in PowerPoint contains at least one slide master. We can use the slide master of a presentation to make the same changes to all the slides or only to the slides that use a specific layout in a presentation. For example, if we want to put a background picture on all the slides of our presentation, we can put it on the master slide and it will automatically appear in all the slides. View the slide master to open the required presentation and click on a view tab. Okay, so I will show you. This is my presentation is already open. Okay, and click on a view tab. I have to go and click on a view tab, and this in that group click on the slide master tab. Slide master is this is the slide master. Okay, this is the slide master, and in that slide master tab appear as the activate tab on the ribbon, and the slide master task pane will appear on the left. This is the slide master task pane through which we can change. Okay, so if you want to change anything, then you have to click on that. The slide master view appears similar to the normal view. However, in the slide master view, master slides are displayed in the task pane and not the actual slides. The first and bigger thumbnail image in the task pane is the slide master that controls all the slides. If we want to make a change to all the slides in a presentation, we can do so by making changes to this slide. Each slide below the slide master is a master slide for a supporting layout. For example, if we want to make a change to all slides that use the title and content layout, we can do so by selecting and making changes to the title and content layout master slide in the task pane. Tip: you can see which slide in the presentation use a specific layout. To see this information, hover over a layout in the task pane and read the screen tip. The screen tip contains the slide numbers that use the layout. Okay.